How many times have you wished to wake up to the smell of freshly baked bread? Today I will share my recipe for no-knead bread that absolutely anyone can prepare. Stir in the flour, active dry yeast, and salt to make this no-knead bread in a large mixing bowl. Stir all the dry ingredients together, make a hole in the middle, and pour warm water, honey, and olive oil. With the help of a fork or spoon, stir all the ingredients so that can form a dough. Brush a clean bowl with olive oil and transfer the dough. Cover with plastic wrap or kitchen towel and let it rise in room temperature for about 2 to 3 hours. When the dough doubles in volume and bubbles appear on the surface, preheat your oven to 450 Fahrenheit and warm a Dutch oven or heat-proof pot in an oven with the lid on. Transfer the dough on a lightly floured work surface and carefully knead the dough with a spatula or floured hands. Form a loaf of bread and transfer it to a baking paper. Transfer the baking paper to a hot pot and cover with a lid. Bake for about 30 to 35 minutes, then remove the lid and bake for an additional 10 minutes. Let the bread cool for at least 30 minutes and serve to enjoy. I hope you will give this recipe a try and let me know how it turned out in the comment section down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on social media. Have fun cooking. Until the next time.